All right, today I wanted to talk about a little trickle charger, a solar trickle charger. This is my lawnmower battery, and I have my lawnmower currently in a shed that does not have electricity. So I decided to try this trickle charger, and this is what I got. I got an Ecoworthy 5 or 10 watt solar trickle charger. So it came with a panel, which I stuck to the window on my shed. And there's a small little light here that says solar. And this came on as soon as I plugged it in. It was barely twilight, so I guess it was generating electricity. All right, and then there's some lights on it that shows. I don't know if the light will change, but we'll see. All right, and so it came with some instructions. Right, it also came with some attachments. So this unit is actually intended to stick on your car windshield, and it has a cigarette lighter adapter. Now the cigarette lighter adapter has to be connected straight to the battery. It cannot be an accessory, so it will not charge. And you need to unplug this before you start your vehicle. It also has some clamps that you could connect to a battery. I actually had an existing wire connected. So this is what I have. And this is an exact fit for this unit. All right, now if you check the voltage on it, it currently shows 18 volts. So see, it shows 18 volts. All right, so I'm hoping that this unit will control the voltage and trickle it down as time goes by. All right, so I'm just going to plug it into my tractor. There we go. All right, so I paid $20 for this on eBay. Amazon also has it, so it's something to consider. About this longevity, I have no idea. I will have to evaluate that as time goes by. But yeah, if you don't have power somewhere and you need to trickle charge your battery, as long as you have a window or a source that you can hang it. It's not waterproof, so beware of that. Don't leave it outdoors. And try it out, see how it works. Thanks.